How to screen record on any iPhone. Hey guys, and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to screen record on any iPhone in just a few simple steps. This feature allows you to capture your screen activity, whether it's for tutorials, gameplay, or anything else you want to share. First, scroll down from the top right corner of your screen to open the Control Center. If you're using an iPhone with a home button, swipe up from the button instead. Now long press anywhere on the control center, then tap Add a control. Look for screen recording and tap the plus icon to add it. Or you can simply tap on it to add it on your screen. Once added, simply tap the record button, a circle inside another circle. After a 3-second countdown, your iPhone will start recording. To stop recording, tap the red status bar at the top and hit stop. You may find it right here. Your recording will be saved automatically in the Photos app. Try it out and let me know if it worked for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one. Bye!